Hi, I'm Ivanova Smith, and I work for the Department of Social and Health Services Developmental Disability Administration. This video is about the right to file a complaint or grievance. It's one of the several rights included in the Clients' Rights Law that was passed in 2020. In fact, it's spelled out in other laws too. It's that important. There are different ways to let people know that you have concerns about your services and support. You can follow your service provider's complaint and grievance process, tell your case manager, file a grievance with DHHS, or contact the Developmental Disability Ombuds. DSHS is working on updates to our complaints and grievance process to make sure that concerns are getting to the right place, no matter where you send them. We'll make a separate video about that later this summer. The important thing to remember is that there is no wrong way to tell somebody if you are not happy with your services. Someone can even file grievance on your behalf. For example, if you are nervous about the process or it's hard to do on your own, let's say you have a residential provider who won't let you lock your bedroom door or eat a spicy burrito at midnight. If that's a restriction that you have not agreed to, you can follow your provider's grievance process, talk to your case manager, file grievance with DHHS, or contact the DD Ombuds. Some people worry that they'll be blamed if they bring up a concern, or that they'll lose their provider. No one, not your provider, case manager, or DHHS, can retaliate against you for filing a grievance. If you have worries about that, you can always talk to the DD Ombuds for support. I've talked to some people about complaints and grievances. Here's what they had to say.
You need to be able to speak up to get what you want. And the only way to do that is sometimes to make a complaint or a grievance to your agency or to your care providers.
Just speak up and don't be afraid. It's okay that you're scared at first because, to be honest with you, I get scared about speaking up and sharing my truth at first, but then it's about your bravery and courage, and you have to have courage to speak up and tell the truth.
The DD Ombuds can help you with such a thing as filling out paperwork to make a complaint. They can also help you file a grievance if that's what you need to do, but they can come into your home and make sure that everything's going right.
Is there anything else important that you want to share about grievance and complaints?
That I think you really should speak up if something isn't going right, if you're not happy with something. You do have a voice, and you do have a right to be listened to.
It's your right to speak up, it's your right to complain, and it's your right to get help with the services you want.
If you want to hear more from people with lived experience about all of your rights, visit peoplefirstofwashington.org. That's it for now. See you next time when we talk about rules for when a provider can terminate services.